Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So in this video, I'll be covering all the aspects like how much screen on time I'm getting, and how much PUBG gaming, and how much YouTube watching, and everything. I'll be talking only regarding the battery backup of the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, and few of the statistics even can be applicable for the Pro Max as well. So because both the phones have same kind of processor and same kind of batteries, definitely this should be close to results for the Pro Max version as well. And if you're wondering what wallpapers I'm using exactly right now in both phones, so try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. So there's a wallpaper playlist and you can find plenty of useful wallpapers, so which are available for different notch phones, punch holes and jewel punch holes. So let's get started with a battery backup test, how much I'm getting in the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So first let me start about the screen on time. So this is so far the one of the best screen on time mobile phone right now I'm available with me. So definitely friends, I did achieve very incredible screen on times with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. I think one of the close was 8 hours of screen on time in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, so which is very good. So even right now you can see I'm using with the normal usage during this time, and you can see the 2 days of using this phone with the normal usage, not with the heavy usage. So still there's a 65% of the battery left right now, so you can see clearly. Let me show you the screen on time. Screen on time is around 3 hours with the normal usage. So definitely with the normal usage you can achieve 2 days of usage without any problem in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And this normal usage doesn't include gaming, and with the medium usage definitely 1.5 days possible, which does include the gaming as well. So overall in terms of the battery, which is very perfect and very good, so no problem with the 5020 mAh of battery. In terms of PUBG gaming, the gaming is possible up to 7 hours of continuously PUBG gaming is possible in this phone. So try to check the links in description for the Redmi PUBG battery and test playlist. So there you can find the Redmi Note 9 Pro's playlist, so which will be very helpful. So you can see how much time I got, 6 hours of continuously playing the game. So there is even 7 hours video as well, so try to check that video. So overall 6.5 hours of PUBG gaming is definitely possible in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And next is a YouTube, and watching YouTube, this phone lasted I think close to 16 to 18 hours of continuously watching YouTube with a Wi-Fi connection, so which is also very good. And with normal MX player movies, I think 1080p movie playback, it lasted around 24 hours, close to 24 hours of continuously watching the 1080 movie in this phone, which is also very good advantage for the big screen. And for the people who travel a lot, this can be the best option as well. So this is a complete in-depth review of the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I can say you that the phone doesn't even disappoint you in terms of the battery at all. So definitely if you're planning to buy the phone, you can go ahead without thinking. If you're worried about the battery, no need to think about anything. But this phone does have slow charging, 18 watts charging, which you need to keep in mind. The Pro Max version does have the fast charging. So this is an overall battery review of the Redmi Note 9 Pro model. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.